Florida is known as the Sunshine State and is one of the best places in the US for solar energy production. With this abundant year-round sunshine, many home and business owners are considering whether installing solar panels in Florida is a smart financial decision. And our answer is mostly yes. But the reality is that it depends on several factors. This video will give you a closer look at the top 7 reasons why solar panels in Florida can be worth the investment. Here at The Energy Professor, we want to give you the information that you need to not only save money on your energy bill, but to also become more energy efficient. We hope you find this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Number 1. Abundant sunshine and high solar potential. Florida's sunny climate makes it an ideal location for solar energy. The state receives more sunlight per year than most other parts of the country, averaging around 5 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. This means that solar panels installed in Florida have a high energy production potential, meaning it's easier to generate enough electricity to offset your energy bills. Number 2. Significant savings on your electricity bills. With high electricity rates in Florida, especially during those hot summer months when air conditioning is essential, solar panels can drastically reduce your monthly energy costs. Solar energy allows you to produce your own electricity, decreasing reliance on the grid and potentially lowering your electricity bills by at least 50% or more. This percentage will depend on the size of your system and your energy use. Number 3. State incentives and federal tax credits. Florida residents can take advantage of several financial incentives that make solar installation more affordable. The federal solar tax credit offers a 30% tax break on the cost of a solar system, which significantly reduces the expensive upfront cost. Additionally, Florida has no state income tax. This means that the saving from solar power isn't taxed, further enhancing the financial benefits for Florida residents. Some utility companies also offer rebates or performance-based incentives depending on where you live in the state. Number 4. Net metering and energy storage. Florida's net metering policy allows homeowners with solar panels to sell excess electricity back to the grid. This earns you credits on your energy bill that can offset your future energy use. These credits can really rack up during those periods when your solar panels generate more electricity than you need, like on extremely sunny days or when you're out of town, and they can potentially eliminate your electricity bill altogether. Combining solar panels with an energy storage solution like a Tesla Powerwall can also increase the value of your system by allowing you to store excess energy for later use, such as at night or during power outages, further reducing your reliance on the grid. If you're finding this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more energy and money-saving videos like this. Number 5. Increase in home value. Installing solar panels in Florida can increase your home's resale value. According to real estate studies, homes with solar panels sell faster and for more money compared to similar homes without them. With energy efficiency being an increasingly top priority for many home buyers, having solar panels installed can be a major selling point, especially in a state like Florida where electricity costs tend to be on the higher side. Number 6. Environmental impact. Florida faces environmental challenges, including rising sea levels and extreme weather events. Solar energy is a clean, renewable resource that helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions and lowers your overall carbon footprint. By switching to solar, you're contributing to the state's efforts to mitigate climate change and promote sustainable energy solutions. And finally, number 7, some considerations: the upfront cost and roof stability. While the long-term savings and benefits of solar panels are clear, there are some factors to consider before installation. The initial cost of solar panels and installation can be substantial. However, there are multiple financing options available, some of which we have videos right here on our YouTube channel. It's also important to ensure that your roof is suitable for solar panels. Your roof should be in good condition, facing the right direction, and free from any shading to maximize energy production. As you can see, solar panels are definitely worth it in Florida for many home and business owners. The state's abundant sunshine, favorable financial incentives, and high electricity costs make solar energy a smart, long-term investment. With careful planning and the right solar solution, you can enjoy significant savings on energy bills, contribute to environmental sustainability, and potentially increase your home's value. If you're looking for ways to lower costs and harness clean energy, solar panels in Florida are a great option. And if you're looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.